What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kierra Chanel, but I go by Keeks. Keeks on the beat, Keeks with the cheeks, Kiwi, whichever one is fine with me. Today, I'm going to be doing this really cute install. I'm going to show you guys how I achieve these curls, and we're also doing a giveaway, so make sure you guys watch all the way to the end of the video and stay tuned. Let's get right into it. Okay, so I bleached the hair, I washed the hair. I also put a little bit of jet black over this because when I bleached my knot, my consistency wasn't thick enough, so it kind of like seeped through. I did plug and customize this side because this is the side I'm going to be wearing. Today I want some really bomb curls, and the way you need to get some bomb curls is having bomb layers. So that'll be the focus point for today. I got that cut out. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace as well, and then go ahead and apply my glue. I'm gonna be using 3 to 4 layers. Honestly, the amount of layers depend on you and how active you are and how much of a sweater you are. If you sweat or you tend to have like bodily oils, I would definitely go ahead and go with like 4 to 5 layers. But if not, 3 layers will do. So I'm just taking the excess foundation that I have on my brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go over the lace again, because sometimes when you cut the lace, there are spots that don't have foundation, so then it's like leaving a cast, and we don't want that. We want our lace to be laid. I am using my From Keeks Stick and Slay adhesive. You guys can DM me to purchase. Yeah, I'm gonna do the 4 layers. Do your layers back to back. You do not have to wait for your layers to dry. I like to sit down and talk. Do y'all prefer talk throughs, or do y'all like just music, or do y'all like voiceovers? Leave me a comment below. This is something new that I'm doing. Like, I barely even talk when I'm filming. Most of the time it's because it's never really quiet where I live. Like, I have siblings and 2 of them are toddlers. So I'm gonna continue to add all of your layers. You can do one side at a time, but I have graduated to the point where once these layers over here are drying, I'm just gonna move on to the next step. So by the time I paste this one down, this will be dry, and so on and so forth. All right, before I put my band on, I'm gonna go in with this Wonderless Bond Spray, and this is the Ultra Hold one. Y'all, I actually just recently tried this out, and it's one of my favorites now. Like, I definitely will add this to my lineup of essential products needed to have a fire install. Like, the hold is very strong. I actually have a melt band from Tinashe. It's just I cannot find the freaking package that it came in for the life of me. But I am gonna include my unboxing portion because they definitely sent me some great goodies. Gonna go ahead and tie my hair. Today it's giving side part because side part's been having me in a chokehold. But also it's just the way that I want to wear my hair. It's actually very fitting to wear side part, so that's what we're gonna go with. While I'm waiting on the hot comb, I'm gonna just go ahead and press out, not press out, blow dry this hair real quick. All right, so I'm pressing out my hair now. Okay, so now it's time for me to add some layers into this hair. Like I said, I want some really nice body curls. By the way, this hair is, I believe, 16 inches. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this front section right here, and I'm literally gonna pull it out, and then you're gonna start cutting on a diagonal. And that's how you get layers out. Now, there are different ways to layer your hair, like depending on like how you section it and if you pull it back for, but that's all a technique that you have to like learn for real. And I am not equipped to actually teach that. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some layers. Layers equal volume, so layers help with volume if you don't have any. And this hair definitely didn't have much volume to it. It was given like 130, 150 density. If this was like a 200 plus density wig, this would be like a very perfect everyday wig for sure. So I'm just cutting me some layers here real quick. I don't mind making drastic layers because I already made up my mind that this unit is gonna be like a unit that I'm gonna curl all the time. So it's not a really big deal to me. See, I can already see how these curls gonna fall. For sure. This frontal is it's not super dense. I don't know how I feel about that because normally when you don't have a super dense frontal, it tends to go bald quickly. So yeah, that's just something to note. But I love the fact that it's not super thick. Like, I would prefer this over a really super thick frontal any day though. Don't get me wrong at all. Because this is easier to manage. You see how flat it gets? Like, if you have a super thick frontal, a super dense frontal, you'd be having a hard time trying to get it super flat. Now that your frontal is laid, absolutely. I'm gonna take some Bio Silk. This is also a new grab. I just purchased this, and y'all, I'm absolutely in love. Like, I don't know why I was missing out, but I've been missing out. But I'm here to say that oil was something serious. Like, I had pressed out my friend hair, and baby, her shit was giving silk press. It's very lightweight too. Like, it doesn't weigh the hair down, which is very important when trying to find the oil. And now it's time for baby hairs. I'm gonna do my baby hairs because that typically holds me back sometimes. And I'm actually about to go out, so I need to do my baby hairs right now. Right, now it's time to curl my hair. I normally start in the front, like when I'm gonna pin it, but I'm starting the back. This hair is really nice, y'all. Like, it mimics raw hair vibes. I love it. Let me put some concealer in my part. And then I'm gonna take this Clairol dye pen, and this just helps clean up your part without having like the super harsh line. Like the super harsh black line, I don't really care for that at all. So this is how I clean up my parts. Then I'm gonna clean that up Cause like I told y'all earlier, the bleach got on my hair. Ooh! Ooh! Let me step back so y'all can see. She is really cute, like really cute. It's giveaway time, it's giveaway time, it's giveaway time. Shout out to Tinashe because I will not be able to be doing this giveaway without the help of them. Basically, the rules are simple. You have to subscribe to my channel, Kierra Chanel. Follow me on Instagram at KierraChanel_, and follow Tinashe Hair on Instagram. So their Instagram is at Tinashe Hair. Follow them on Instagram, and once you're done with that, you're gonna come back to this video, like it, and comment your Instagram. That is a valid submission, and I'm gonna definitely check. I'm gonna be going through it or whatever. The entry period will last for exactly 1 week. So the 29th, I'm going to be reaching out via DM to whoever the winner may be, and after I have confirmed the winner, I will come back and pin them in this video's comment section. So I'm excited. Here we are. You guys have the option to take the wig straight out the box, or I can customize it for you. I can customize it for you exactly how I have it in this video. But once I DM whoever wins this wig, we will discuss that. But yes, this is a 16-inch body wave wig, 13x4 lace frontal. You will receive the wig along with the goodie bag along with the wig. So you will be getting everything that's in this little bag along with the bag as well. So you will be getting a band. You remember I told y'all I can find my band. This is the band that's for the winner. You will receive a pair of lashes. You got some bobby pins for styling, some clamps for styling. There's a little headband, a printed headband. It's kind of cute too. I got the same one, so whoever wins is gonna be twinning. You get a bonnet. Thank you, buddy. Wig cap. And you also get an edge control brush along with the regular comb. Don't forget to follow all of the rules, you guys. Come back and leave your Instagram handle below so that your entry is valid. And yeah, that's it. That's all I have for this video. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so that you're aware of when I post. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.